In this video, we will review Zoom Phone. Zoom Phone Pros. Zoom Phone brings the simplicity and familiarity of Zoom into business calling space, creating a seamless communication experience. It integrates voice calling with Zoom meetings and chat, which makes it an ideal solution for businesses already using Zoom as a collaboration hub. Users benefit from high quality VoIP calls, voicemails, transcriptions, call recordings, and auto attendance. These features work well across desktop and mobile apps, allowing users to stay connected from anywhere. Zoom Phone also supports direct dialing, internal extensions, and international numbers, enabling flexible workflows from remote or hybrid teams. It is comparability and work common hard. Gives businesses the option to go fully cloud-based or maintain physical devices. Zoom's cloud infrastructure allows for a reliable uptime and fast development without complex on-premises systems. Another advantage of centralized administration platform is that many users and managing users on the number of calls and is very simple, even with a small IT team. System administrators can easily assign numbers, set up call flows, monitor call analytics, all from one single dashboard. Zoom Phone also includes integrations with key productivity platforms such as Microsoft 365, other CRMs, Google Workspace and more, allowing teams to streamline communications, manage contacts more efficiently. Its scalability makes it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises, with the ability to add new users, add features to grow. For organizations that value minimal downtime, a familiar interface, cost-effective cross-platform integration, and more, Zoom is great. However, there are some cons to Zoom Phone. While Zoom Phone covers the basics well, it lacks some of the advanced customization options and analytical tools found in older, more established VoIP platforms. Organizations with complex contact centers may need to find less suitable without upgrading to Zoom's higher tier services. The call routing capabilities, while user-friendly, do not offer the same depth as some enterprise-grade PBX solutions. Integrations with third-party business apps and legacy systems can be very limited, which may require workarounds or even third-party tools. Additionally, users have reported occasional call quality issues, such as delays or dropped calls, especially in poor regions with poor internet connectivity. Porting existing numbers into Zoom Phone can somewhat be slow and prone to delays, depending on your provider. Support is another area where Zoom Phone shows its limitations. While Zoom offers email, chat-based support, users dealing with urgent phone system issues may find the lack of 24/7 support very frustrating. Documentation is extensive, but complex. Troubleshooting is still quite often contacting customer support. Additionally, although Zoom Phone is powerful in the Zoom ecosystem, organizations that do not already use Zoom may find the setup very strenuous and navigation less intuitive. Some features like international calling or toll-free numbers are add-ons, so you'll need to buy Zoom's higher tier plans, potentially increasing the total cost for businesses with broader needs. Zoom Phone is best for companies with a relatively straightforward phone requirements, or those who already have committed to the Zoom platform and ecosystem. For more complex telephone needs, it may fall short. Pricing. Zoom Phone offers a tiered pricing model that can cater to a wide range of business sizes and needs. The metered platform starts at $10 per user per month, providing cost-effective access to Zoom's phone platform. With a pay-as-you-go outbound calling, the unlimited region plan at $15 per user per month includes unlimited domestic calls in your selected country. For businesses with global operations, the Global Select plan starts at $20 per user per month, and it includes unlimited calling to multiple different countries, depending on your plan. Zoom also offers additional add-ons, such as additional phone numbers, added queues, toll-free services and more. Discounts are available for annual billing and volume licensing, which makes scaling and growing your business effective on Zoom Phone. While the basic prices are competitive, total cost can rise very quickly depending on your international usage and the need for premium features. For example, advanced analytics and contact center tools or integrations may require additional fees or even a higher tier subscription. International or toll-free numbers or regulatory compliance services are also priced separately, which will add up to your business costs. Compared to other platforms, Zoom Phone pricing remains very fair and transparent, but users will have to be careful and include and avoid surprises. Businesses that only need core voice features may likely find Zoom Phone a strong contender, while those needing enterprise-level customization may find it very lacking. Ease of use. Zoom's Phone stands out as an intuitive and clean user interface that mirrors the familiarity of Zoom's meetings. Users can make and receive calls, check voicemails and transfer calls all within the Zoom desktop or mobile app, eliminating the need to learn a new platform. Call management tools are represented clearly, and voicemail transcriptions, call history and present indicators are very easily accessible. The platform syncs in real time across devices so users can seamlessly switch between mobile app and desktop while staying connected wherever they go. These features are especially helpful for hybrid workforces who rely on smooth communication between remote and in-office work. From an admin's perspective, Zoom Phone is a user-friendly administrator assign numbers, manage routing calls, and configure auto-attendance. Dashboard is logical, laid out and drag and drop tools to customize workflows and easy toggle for managing user settings. Setup is generally fast and doesn't require advanced telecom communications, making it appealing to many small business owners without a dedicated IT system or staff. Additionally, the system integrates smoothly with existing Zoom accounts, so teams using Zoom for meetings can adopt the phone system without any stress. Its consistent UI across services also reduces onboarding time, training costs, and further improvement and user adoption. Overall, Zoom Phone is a modern, cloud-based solution that extends Zoom's platform into the realm of business telephones. Designed for simplicity and flexibility, it integrates seamlessly with Zoom meetings, chat, and offers a unified communication experience for ideal teams and remote workflows. It has provided essential business calling features such as voicemail transcription, call recording, mobile access, all managed through a user interface that is very user-friendly. With competitive pricing compared to many competitors and scalable plans, Zoom Phone suits many small businesses or even larger scale organizations that look to streamline their communications with little complexity. While it may lack advanced features found in enterprise-grade phone systems, its ease of use and reliability and tight integration with Zoom's ecosystem will make it a compelling choice for many companies who are focused on collaboration, mobility, and also have used the Zoom features before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.